resume, better to mention whatever you know. If you have a good knowledge on that, then you will mention. Otherwise, if you
Okay.
mention, you can't answer when they ask. So that is the best solution if you success for your interviews. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Then see if they ask like what is a test plan, what it contains, or components of test plan. Actually, I explained in my regular classes. Okay,
Yeah.
but this is only for interview questions and answers. Okay, if they ask
Okay.
means we have around 2 years of experience.
Mm.
So you say like I did not involve into test plan. I have reviewed test plan means I read test plan. Okay. See, a software project test plan is a document that describes the objectives, scope of the project, approach, and the focus of a software testing effect. And why the test plan? The process of preparing a test plan is useful way to think through the effects needed to validate the accessibility of a software product. Why means it should understand why and how the product validation. If you prepare a test plan, you can easily understand what goes on your project. And this is the content of the test plan.
Test plan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Scope of the project, reference documents,
Roles
roles
and
and
responsibilities.
responsibilities of developers and testers, test approach, RTM, milestones, deliverables, project risk analysis, test environment like a hardware, software, OS.
Mm.
If you use any testing tools like that, you have to mention and methodology and strategy, functions to be tested, functions not to be tested, and documentation. Okay. If they ask
Okay.
like what is SDLC?
Mm.
So SDLC means software development life cycle. You say like
Development
that?
life
Yeah.
cycle.
Yeah. After accepting a software proposal from client, the corresponding project manager should one of available SDLC models. There are a lot of models out there like a fish model, V
Yeah.
model,
Waterfall
yeah,
model.
waterfall model. So like that,
Agile model.
now the latest thing is agile model.
Agile.
Yeah, agile model. So they have to prepare SDLC. This is the fish model.
Manager.
Yeah, yeah, agile model. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. This is only interview
Project manager
questions.
will decide.
This is only
Okay.
interview questions. So that's why it's not in depth.
Okay.
If you have any questions ask me.
No, that after getting the documentation from the client, that project manager will decide which SDLC model we need to use and all, or
Yeah,
client
yes.
itself will be
No,
giving.
no, no. Maybe like a client and our end, they have to decide. If client have knowledge, then automatically they decide. If they don't have
Okay.
any much knowledge on this software side, so
Okay.
our end will decide.
Okay.
That is.
And this documentation which is given by the client, it differs for developers and testers, right? For
Yes,
developers, what they need. Okay.
the
Okay.
business analyst prepares that software documents, SRS, BRS, CRS, like that. But the same documents they have given to the testers and developers. So developers they have to prepare coding based on SRS and testers testing with the same document SRS. Okay?
Hello,
Yeah.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా?
So
Ah,
uh, first of all, if client accepts all things, maybe sometimes client send a document like SRS, BRS, anything,
okay,
or if the client has appointed member or our end can appoint a member, like member is called business analyst, BA,
okay.
business analyst. He prepare,
Analyst.
yeah, he prepares SRS, BRS, PRD, any type of requirement documents based on his level, means like domains, application knowledge. So he prepares SRS document. After approval of that SRS document or BRS document, they have to provide to our developers and testers. Developers prepare coding based on SRS documents and testers testing the application based on the SRS document only.
Okay. Using the
So
same document, both will
yes,
do the.
if you prepare test plan based on SRS document only,
Okay.
for anything we have to do in a project level, you need SRS.
Okay. No, 1 minute, 1 minute.
So they ask like what is SRS, what is BRS?
Mm.
And BRS means Business Requirement Specification,
Specification.
defines the requirements of customer to be developed. And SRS defines the functional requirements to be developed and the system requirement to be used. If they ask like what is
So,
review, yeah.
so if BRS means only it will be done by only for developers. It is developed.
Yeah, maybe
I mean, the
it's
requirement.
depends on company. They have to
Okay.
prepare the documents.
Okay.
Depends on company. They have to prepare the documents and review. Review means a document level testing technique during this review. The responsible people are estimating the completeness and correctness of the corresponding document. We have to review that particular documents.
Okay.
And they ask like what is walkthrough and inspection. Walkthrough. Study of document means SRS or BRS from the first line to last line. Okay, walkthrough means we have to
Study of a document.
means from first line to last line.